Hello, this is just a little quick video. A video that was made earlier in this year that I didn't really release was just a podcast announcement. There's an outtake where I click my neck like that. And it's so bad, I've been asked by loads of people just to actually put it on as a short clip, repeat it a few times and even slow it down because it's real. It's not added effects or anything like that. It's like literally, I pretty much should see a doctor. I've got some new pillows, but yeah. Neck crack from hell. Hope you enjoy it. I didn't. Ooh.